Energy is the pillar of our evolution. It has enabled us to build a complex world, increasingly advanced societies. It has helped us to overcome logistical challenges, to share and cooperate globally, driving progress around the world. We have developed all kinds of industries to ensure our well-being and development. At Mercados Aries, we have always been committed to energy as the basis of progress for well-being and development. But the future holds an even greater challenge: to harness the full potential of clean energies, to help to conserve our environment, to guarantee and optimize water supplies. Mercados Aries has been an international consultancy for 20 years, driving energy and environmental projects around the world, helping to design and plan reliable supply systems based on renewable energies and the unique conditions of each environment. But today, we are taking a step further. We are ready for the challenge. Today, Mercados Aries will become something bigger, with the capacity to plan and execute projects in the energy, water and environmental fields, advising, planning and executing projects, ensuring that ESG criteria are fulfilled with each client. To address this challenge, we have joined forces with other strategic partners. The merging of 4 companies to create 4 essential pillars of service: management consulting, energy, water, environment. MAI, building the future.